Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Canva certificate. We'll cover the simple steps to earn official recognition for your design skills. This process involves selecting a course, completing its modules, and passing any required assessments. By the end, you will know exactly how to showcase your new design expertise with a verifiable certificate. It's a straightforward path to boosting your professional profile. To begin, head over to the Canva Design School, which is their dedicated learning hub. You'll find a diverse catalog of courses, catering to all skill levels, from absolute beginners to more experienced designers. Take your time to browse through the offerings and choose a course that genuinely excites you and aligns with your personal or professional design aspirations. There are dozens of options available. Once enrolled, immerse yourself in the course material. Actively participate in all modules, watch the video lessons, and complete any hands-on exercises. Many courses include quizzes or a final project to test your understanding. Make sure to achieve the passing score or fulfill all project requirements. This ensures you meet the specific criteria set for earning your official certificate. Congratulations! After successfully completing your course, navigate back to your course dashboard. You should see an option to view and download your certificate. It's typically available as a high-quality PDF file, perfect for printing or digital sharing. Don't forget to share your new credential on platforms like LinkedIn to showcase your enhanced design skills to your network and potential employers. It's a great accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.